Ngikuririkania rwarire turantkwena rwa turi kuria ni ntaire iriku kuthugania CSK ndiki ni abatere gutumira kuthiria wamba bwandithia ni ntaire iriku kuthugania CSK ndiki ni abatere gutumira kuthiria wamba bwandithia itana mbere na kwithira ukiaraniria na bautu gukurukira namba SMS 40188 na kinya kiri mutandao jwetu jwa Facebook tugeta na mbere na nteto chetu ni ati ambunge ba kamiti ya Rwaria rwa biama ya rutere rwa Kenya Kwanza yugete bateta na mbere na Rwaria ru kwethirwa azimio bageta na mbere na maandamano JAAO. Kamiti ije ya Kenya Kwanza ire tongeretwe ni mubunge wa Tharaka Gitonga Murugara eriuga Rwaria ru ni rwa kwariria kuthiria maandamano na kwethirwa zageta na mbere nabo bagachieberia kiri Rwaria ru kagite ni ukauna bo azimio baugete bateta na mbere na kwaririria ru na Rwaria ru kwethirwa mubunge wa Eldas ADEN KEYNAN ageta na mbere kwithirwa ari kamitine ya Kenya Kwanza zezete orebo rithimo shene jwa Nairobi bagirete TEARGAS kwaragania abunge barutere rwa azimio baria BAGWITITE BARUGA yao ya MATETA obisine ya RAIS barabarene ya Rambe. Bonfils Mwongera akethirwa ageta na mbere na gutumenyithia rugono ru
KUURIA ndwangisho kalite kwirigirite nete ya bunge na seneta babengi baruterwa azimio bakureri karone bya bunge na bamwe barokera karukiri gatitiro bubwega mbere matha atithe o karuru bobo nabo bokali bokothera ndwangisho kale na nyuma nonto athobotite kirite ubunge thire gwatirwa ndene bunge gogo kinyira mathenja thainya atongire umari karone bya bunge no rumwe baikinyire kinyi mwanko pichine cha RAIS kiri nyombe ya Rambe iria itogoroka mita magana jaire kume karone bya bunge na bago kinya baromba konenkanire baruga yao
kwa barua tunataka tupeane hapa advance
kire kaonjonje nako akoromba konenkanire baruga ndeketha twitethiririe ndwangishokaria itati no kiri na ntere mwanya na gutudurangia TEARGAS no torio
Waheshimiwa leave. Wacha tusahau twende. Wacha tusahau twende. Waheshimiwa leave.
Mtu onde no kaguruga kombonokia korega kwereno naku katikati kangwataniro ya azimio nuroterwa Kenya Kwanza kiri kamite bepatsan koronekana nuroterwa Kenya Kwanza kuga bo patidro bemwita mubungo roterwa dasenda KEYNAN kiri kamite buru aranga rokonge roterwa azimio bakobo patidro bechokera kiri Rwaria edro KEYNAN atiumara.
The objection is not in respect of the persons per se. It is in respect of the issues that may come to the table. Especially they are emphasizing on party hygiene. That is where they are saying Honorable KEYNAN may be conflicted. We have brought in the fourth issue that where an issue comes to the table and any of the members is conflicted, Kenya Kwanza has committed to recuse that person so that you do not get involved in a matter where you are directly conflicted.
You cannot say that you have an issue of somebody participating in a process and then when a particular issue comes in, then they recuse themselves. That's like saying you have an objection to a judge, but you will be excusing the judge on other things except on a particular issue. It doesn't work that way.
Mubunge KEYNAN urakagite nekaroterwa Kenya Kwanza kuchanirwa no tubura kwerekana we no kema kya Jubilee na kema kya Jubilee kithero kiri azimio ojo no gukari kiri mubunge David Kosi urano kema kya ku na kire kwethero ikirekana kiroterwa Kenya Kwanza.
We will be emphasizing as talks go on, there must be a suspension, there must be a cancellation of all demonstrations of whatever kind.
As long as they confirm to us that the Honorable KEYNAN has been withdrawn, we will resume the talks immediately. The question of demonstration is a different question. It's not on the table for us. That is a matter that is to be discussed at the level of the principle and the constitution and other things.
Jabono botengani bonge entereche chiri chidiro shidakanira rawama nonto bonto borea bakwibagwishidanira na kambe azimio barinyeria bakwamboto Kenya Kwanza kinyaba kaita karaba kedora bakenama batite titobungo telo Eldaseda KEYNAN otrondo aria igeta nambere na kona ndeko kurwa keni kianta koro nke reporter antosharo TV kumanje karone bya bunge kengi nangine na kineke mshuja Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mungera.